start from something like this. Okay, so the intent of this particular project is for me to learn Golang and also for me to learn Fiber. So I have open. Okay, let me create a Golang project, and I'm using this stuff. So let me see what should be done I think we have go.mod file. I'm assuming it was module file. We just need to install Fiber because I think that's what I want to do. Terminal. Okay, seems go.mod has been updated because I have added this stuff. Okay, so let me create first Go file. A single application. Let's see. Don't want Vim mode. I'll learn that later. Okay, so let me just see that whether the Go project is actually running. Okay, so everything is good, cool. So we will start Fiber. So the intent of the first thing is I will be making that have an endpoint to show hello world. By default, this is a better way to start. Okay. Dot. Then we will work on it. Okay, so we have an endpoint and then which we can run it. Let's run the code now. Meanwhile, I will do one more thing. I will create a directory for API scripts, because I think whenever I'm doing some code related to web application, it was better for me to test it from within here, whether it's coming there or not, rather than going into browser and checking all the stuff. So we'll call a HTTP request, okay, and then I will do a GET request here, the localhost 3000. Let's go with the example, because with test. Okay, so I will request executed, content type, response body. Okay, let's see what is the response body, and then we will do something. Okay, so I'm just checking response body is hello world. If it is not, it is going to now be not hello world. Let me test it here. It has failed on. Why is that? Because I think I'm getting something else. Yeah. How can I see that response dot? Okay, I think I need something which have that contains. Okay, so response body dot includes. Is that includes? Or yeah, I will have index of hello world will always be there. Or let us be as it is, as plain. We will do this, and then we will run it. Okay, test passed. Good. So the the idea of this way where I used to do is, it was always we need test, and then having unit test is always better, but it is endpoint, right? Obviously it's endpoint. So what is the purpose of having unit test? Just do something like this. Okay, great. And what I actually I think I have completed this, having an endpoint to show hello world. So what I'll do is I will add one more file to see like okay, so we have done that, and then the next thing which we will do is get path variables. I think the good thing about having this Copilot is it will give you answers. You really don't want to do something else, but let's see how it goes. I'll just copy this and put it here, and then it will come like hello comma and then whatever name which I am going to give. So let us have some more stuff. Hello and then slash. Yeah, I think it makes sense. Let's see. Okay, let me rerun it. I think will it automatically rerun? It doesn't seem so. So let me rerun that, and then I will add one more test. 30 and then slash hello John. Okay, so and then response, the body should be something like this, right? So where is our app.go? It is hello comma space and then whatever name I am giving. I honestly don't like that. I'll happily rerun it and then run it and then test passed. Good. Let me run all the tests. All the tests passed. Super. Okay, so how it is working? So app.get require, I think app.get saying like it is a get request, and then I need to specify the path, and then followed by that I will have the function. Function will have a parameter of type context, and also I think the error is there. I think probably it might throw an error, I guess, right? Yeah, I think it might throw an error. So this is stuff. So let's do some other interesting stuff. We will ask this particular thing to get two parameters and then uh, add it and then give it. Okay, so I will say like app.get slash add slash num1 slash num2 function. So I need to convert that as an integer. So it seems like there is a library called string convert. So string convert dot parseInt will convert that to integer, and then but I don't know why it's two things. So let me go in the documentation and then read it. Put this one. Where is our readme? Convert data types from string. I think okay, so get path variables, we can get it with c dot params, and then send string, and then convert data type with string conversion utility. So we can happily go there now, and then string conversion. I really don't want this one. Dot a to I. Yeah, I think c dot params of num1. Yeah, right. I honestly don't care. By default, it is first. Yeah. Num2, and then error not equal to nil. Okay, so how do I know that this is the error from here or here? So let me do something. I will put it here. Send string error converting okay, and then I will do it again. See, I have this notation that I should not learn Golang. The only reason is so much verbosity. I really don't know how I'm going to learn this one. Okay, let's see. String conversion format integer. Okay, so we will have something like result. Okay, so and then I will call num1 plus num2, and then I think the reason why Golang has been giving red symbol is if you are going to declare some variable, you just need to use it, I guess. Yeah, and also will it work, or I think should I need, is it because I need to put it here? Yeah, I need to put this one. Okay. Let's see what are the other things actually we have. But why A to I? Okay, I think it's better to ask. Is there any chat GPT stuff, or okay, we will ask it. We'll understand it more. That Okay, so we want to have I2A, right? I2A, num1 plus num2 is already there as result. Great. We have done that, and then this good, this good, this good. So we will write a test. I always like to um, have this keyboard and then do it. I'm sure that it might be so much irritating for people who are watching it because it's so much noisy. But see, or else I will feel that okay, fine, I don't want to work at all, or I don't want to be at all. It gives extreme pleasure for my ear that okay, I'm doing something. If I'm going to use my Mac keyboard, see here, I don't feel like I'm doing work at all. So probably, even though, yeah, I think I know that it's somewhat bad, but yeah, let's see how it goes. Yeah. Okay, so our endpoint, next endpoint is add num1, num2. Copy that. So this one is 2, and then this one is 3. Add endpoint should what's that? Add endpoint should return sum. Okay, response.body equal to 5. Right? I think where is our application? Let's restart it. Yeah, it started successfully. Let's run it. Sum is 5 and the test is failed. Why is it failed? Sum is, oh, okay. Okay, so it's coming like this. I honestly don't want to have any other string. Let it be just this. I think I need to find a way that Go automatically reloads, Fiber automatically reloads when I'm doing something rather than. Is there any way? Let me find. So let us open the terminal and get this so-called guy. Right? Is there something like go remove? Delete? we'll have go help. I think I'll put this here so it looks nice. Go get. Hey, there is no get. Get help. Okay, there is no nothing like that. Oh, here it is. Go get uninstall. There is no remove. Okay, so we need to do something like this. Go get add dependencies. Where is remove dependencies? Where is remove dependencies? Where is remove dependencies? Okay, it seems like it's not giving me a proper answer, so I guess how can I increase the font size here? Yeah, here it is. Great. Okay, so we will find a 10 as usual. So I think I'm not using anything, right? So I will see whether go.mod, do you have why you are here, man? How to, yeah, it's gone. So what are the things? Overseer, all the stuff which has not been used. So I can happily do go mod id. Yeah, it's removed. Great, nice. How to remove unused dependencies. Right. Okay, whatever. And okay, so we will go for the live reload. What fiber itself Oh, now they are giving verbose. I think I haven't got this kind of verbosity when I'm doing. I got that. Yeah. Okay, I done it. Now what? Now and I will create file dot toml, and let me open this factor rename dot add dot toml test dot go removing main find root directory find. Is it main actually? I think mine is app, right? I don't know. Let's try to run it and see how it is. And then I don't want API scripts. We don't have temp or vendor. Probably there might be vendor, so leave it. Okay, go. Right. So how should I need to start the application now? With air. Okay. Oops. Air not found. Why? I have downloaded air totally. Okay, right. Where I just install with like this, go install. So what will happen? Is it like go install has updated my go.mod? No, it hasn't. Okay, I think go get is a proper way to install. Go install is for utilizing it. Fiber is main. It's not happening. Go install vent, and so which means I need to have air, right? Let's open this one and see whether I have air ready or not. Yeah, it's there. So it's not updating automatically, it seems. Okay, so I think my application is happily running. So let me stop this one. Where is our terminal? Yeah, it's here. It is running hello world. Let me stop this and then I will do it again. Yeah, so it's working fine. Super. Okay, that's a good thing for me. So even though it is a configuration, so go install works. Okay, let me note it down my reading. How to have a live reload for fiber. Install air in your system. Okay, so it like, I think it's not like this, right? This one. So go install is install globally, or yeah, install for my machine, and then add a config file for air toml the config file. I don't need this. I'm not doing it. I'll just use my.app.normal. Okay, super. So live reload is ready. Okay, I reload for okay, live reload ready. And what else? We have tests which has been success. I think let me see whether it's success or not. It's success. Okay, so I think I need now I need to do like assert the error, right? So assert the error. Test addition with valid parameters. I don't know, yeah, with invalid parameters. So I will say like this. Probably it will go error. Let's see. Oh, it gets invalid syntax, and response code is something like this. Okay, but yeah, I understand the error is fine, invalid syntax, but why the response code is 200? I don't think I need 200. I think it's not a valid parameter, right? So not a valid parameter, what should be the response code actually? So that is readme. What should be the status code if the parameters are invalid? 400 bad requests. I'm going with that. Okay, so we are supposed to send 400 bad requests. How to do that? Let's see. C dot send string. Is there something like C dot send status and all the stuff? C dot send status is status. I think I want both that stuff, right? I want both the status as well as 400. Is there any way I can able to pass a message? Yeah. No, it's not okay. Okay, C dot send status integer. Okay, it cannot do any of the stuff. Sets the HTTP state code. Oh, super, perfect. Okay, so it's so simple. The idea of simplicity is really, really good. Okay, and I will set this one. And let's, I think, is it rerunning? Let's see. Building, yes, it has identified the states. Yeah, it's rerunning. Great. Let's run this. With with invalid parameters. 400. Super. Response, add endpoint. Okay, I think I have done something wrong. Addition, add endpoint with invalid parameters should throw score 400. So response dot status is 400, right? Yeah. Can I have a single way I can do multiple tests? Like, I think I almost have these three things common, right? This thing, this thing, this thing. Okay, yeah, I don't know, and we don't want to work on HTTP request now. We will work on Golang. So test action with invalid parameters. Now it should pass. I'm hoping yes, it's passing. Great. Okay, so there is so much of stuff which I really don't know whether I can able to keep it here or not. Can I move somewhere else outside? For example, let me move this one. Right? This is a function. So get is a parameter and then followed by a function. So why can't I have something like function handle parent handle hello world, right? Yeah. Handle hello world. Inside it will call like C colon fiber context. Hey, what's that? Fiber dot context hello world. Is it this one? Yes, this is this one. If I'm going to say something like this, and then can I call something directly by just pointing it out? Okay, let's wait for our terminal to run. Is it running? I think it has already run, I guess, but I will check it again. I'll have a format.println. Building. Okay, right. So it is happening, and then we will run the test. Has passed. Great. So it was a good way. So let these guys can have there, and then handle hello world is totally fine. So I will do one more stuff. Function handle params. Where is ours? Ix. And then handle params. And then function add handle add. Okay, so now which means it looks almost somewhat clear. Yeah. Let this be roots. I really don't care, and I am saving it, and let's see whether this guy has built it. Yeah, I think it's built it. Let's run the tests, all our tests. Everything should pass. Everything passing. Great. So our application is almost ready. Handle add, handle thing. How long I've been doing it now? I feel like I'm working so much time. Oh, okay. So 47 minutes. That's really great thing. Okay, I think today it's over. I think we have written something. What are all the stuff which we have looked into? Is just note it down. So we have started with printing hello world. I think we have done it, and then we have get the path variables. Done it. Converting data types from string to integer or integer to string. We have done it. Remove unused dependencies. Done. Live reload with R. Done. And then what should be the status code for invalid parameters? Done. Oops. And then we have done some more stuff, right? Yeah. How to send invalid status. Oh, they have something like fiber status bad request. Okay, I am happy with 400. Okay, fiber. I think fiber dot status bad request makes sense because it was implying that. So I guess I need to do this one. Fiber dot status bad request, which in turn is 400. That's a good thing. So let me do one thing. I will add. I will run the test again. That's what I always do. Building. Running. Okay. Where is our tests? I run it. Everything passes great. Okay, so we have sent invalid status, and then what? Okay, so tomorrow I think, and then the next stream we will see like JS. These are all the stuff I think I need to do. I think I need to do one more stuff. We'll disable this completion like that. We will see like handle query strings, handle post requests, send receive JSON. Yeah, I think there are so much more to learn, but yeah, I think today I had some